I'm going to do the face.
I'm going to do the sound.
Let's go. Right, I'm going to do. So I'll give you a wee second to think of a noise for that.
Let's say that again.
Are you ready?
What? So what?
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Here, I'm just gonna go basic.
Okay. So it's just like a celebration nearly, isn't it? And there is a noise for this.
Oh, what?
I'm complete wrong noise here. Sue. My first face. You got it?
3, 2, 1.
A delayed noise, but we'll take it. We'll take it.
An hour later.
Right, your turn. What are you going with?
No pressure.
Got it?
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. I didn't know what to do for that one there. I was like, how did I do that? I'm gonna have to give you a difficult one now. So I'm gonna do.
3, 2, 1. Gremlin. Proper gremlin.
Why would we do one each? I do one, he does one.
Oh,
Calma. 3, 2, 1.
I nearly made that noise myself because I was waiting on it there. I was like,
I don't have a Jack. Go ahead, give me one, I'll just do it.
I don't know. That's wild hard to think.
Here,
on the
I'll
ropes.
just do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, struggling. Can't think. Oh, look at my face.
Get your brother to help you out. Give us a face there. Give us a face.
I don't know. I'm trying to think of Snapchat filters or something for you here. The tongue in the eyes one. All the thinking. 21 years I'm putting up this. That's tough work, like. 3, 2, 1.
I don't think that was that at all.